Namaste. We welcome you to a yoga class conducted at Soham Yoga Center. Today's session is for teenagers and youngsters only. So please, all elders are requested to just watch us. So we shall begin with prayer. Fold your both palms, close your eyes. You exhale once along. Inhale deep. We shall give our sincere salutations to Sage Patanjali first. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Okay. So first of all, raise your both arms upward, lock your fingers, keep your palms pressing upward. Okay. Now once you fold your elbows and place your both palms just behind the head, and raising head, try to bend behind. Push your both elbows as behind as possible. Hold it, one toes pointing little inward, both toes pointing inward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now stand straight, raise your arms again, palms pressing upward, and raise your toes, raise your heels and be on your toes. Tadasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now again lower down your heels, palms behind the head and bend behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now these two things we shall perform rapidly. Start 1 Tadasana, 2 bend behind, 3 again Tadasana, 4, 5. If you are not able to balance, you can keep your legs a little apart. Now 6, again bend behind. Now hold this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Lower down your arms. Okay. Keep your both palms over a rest. Just inhale a deep and exhale. Now we shall bend sideways. So raise your right arm, place your left palm over the left thigh, left palm over the left thigh. Yes, and now bend towards left, pushing the right elbow and right shoulder as behind as possible. Just tilt over the right leg, hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now same to the other side, raising right arm, bend towards the right, hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, now 9 and 10. Now in a rapid way, start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Stop, again close your eyes, have a good deep in breath, exhale as slowly as possible. Okay. Now stretch your both arms forward, lock the fingers. Now keep your palms facing outward. Now turn to right, turn towards right and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now try to bend forward in the same position. Sideways you have to bend forward. So first you stretch your arms, then lower the arms down, and now try to pull your head towards the knees. Pull the head inward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now stand straight, raise your head, raise your both arms and bend behind. Bend backwards. Stand straight and bend backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now we shall see this posture from sideways. Keep your toes pointing inward and again bend behind. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now bring your both arms in front. Lock the fingers and again you have to turn towards left. Now hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and bend forward. Hold it. Pull the head as inward as possible towards the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now again stand straight. Bring your both arms in front, raise them and bend behind. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now these two postures we are going to perform in a rapid way. So stretch your both arms forward and twist to right and bend down. 1. Good. 2. Stand straight, raise your arms and bend behind. Hold it. Again, arms in front, bend towards left and bend forward. Okay. Now at 1 we shall bend behind, at 2 twist and bend forward. Start. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Stand straight, be comfortable, close your eyes. Hello Sanjog, if you are teen or young, you can join us for these activities. So again stretch your both arms in front, slowly raise your arms and bend behind to maximum. Bend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now bend forward, try to touch your toes, pull your head towards knees, don't bend knees. Without bending the knees, as much as you can bend forward, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now holding the toes, you try to squat down, holding the toes, hold your toes and bending these, you squat down. Raise your head to maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now these actions we shall perform in rapid way. So stand straight, head towards knees. 1, 2, bend, no, 2, you have to stand and bend behind. 2, you bend moderately. 3, bend forward. 4, squat down. 1, exhale. 2, inhale. 3, exhale and bend forward. 4, bend your knees. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now hold this posture, hold it, stretch your arms forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now leaning forward, you place your both palms on the ground, place your both knees on the ground and be in a crawling pose. So your backbone is now parallel to ground. Okay. Now see your both knees, they are about 6 to 8 inches away, your toes pointing behind. Raise your head to maximum and sink down the lower back, push the lower back downward as much as you can. Okay. Now you try to raise the right leg straight behind. Raise the right leg. Raise it to maximum. Now right knee should be very straight and toe pointing inward and heel pointing towards the right side. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower down the knee. Now we shall perform Adho Mukha Svanasana, raising both knees. Try to press your both heels on the ground and lower down the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again lower down knees, raise your head and now raise the left leg upward. Raise it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Lower down the knee and now again Adho Mukha Svanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now fast. 1 Marjarasana. Right leg. 2 Adho Mukha Svanasana. 3 again Marjarasana, left leg. 4 Adho Mukha Svanasana. 5 Marjarasana. 6 Adho Mukha Svanasana. 7 Marjarasana. And now relax. Now sit in Vajrasana. Now again inhale a deep okay. Again you place your both palms on the ground in front. Be in a cat pose, Marjarasana, raising your head to maximum. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now bend your both elbows. Placing your both elbows on the ground, stretch your both legs one by one behind and assume a plank posture. Okay. 1, 2, lower down your trunk to maximum. Raise your head. Whole body should be in one line. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it and now try to raise your either leg, right leg upward. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lower it down. The other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down. Now in a rapid way. Right 1, left 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Again be in Vajrasana. Now we shall perform Purvottanasana. So stretch your legs. Pressing your both palms just behind your hip bone. Okay. First you bend your both knees, pull them little closer, both legs about a foot away, and try to push your both knees towards each other. Okay, now raising the head, push your chest as forward as possible. Both elbows are straight and raise the trunk. So it will look like a teapot, a small table. Hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly sit down. Now we are going to perform Naukasana. Try to raise your both legs up to 45 degrees straight way, toes pointing forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend the knees. Now again Ardha Purvottanasana. Raise your trunk, push the head as behind as possible. Hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now sit down and Naukasana. Raise the legs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the both postures in a rapid way. 1 Naukasana, Purvottanasana. 2 Naukasana. 3 Purvottanasana. 4 Naukasana. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. So spread your both knees sideways. This is Baddha Konasana. Okay. Now place your both palms just behind your hip bone and placing palms between. So first of all, raise your right knee, keep it in upright way, hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now lower it down and raise the other knee, keep it upright 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we shall perform this in rapid way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you push the left knee over the right. So try to bring both knees together, turn your chin to left, hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now both knees towards left and chin towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in rapid way. 1 knees to right, 2 knees to left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now both knees sideways, assume Baddha Konasana. Now we shall try to bend forward in this posture, placing both palms in front moderately. So you push your both palms as ahead as possible. If you are not able to lower down the head to this much, whatever you can, you hold this posture. Now 3 times you have to have a good deep in breath followed by long exhalation. So about 3 counts you inhale and 5 counts exhale. Now first of all exhale. Now start inhaling 1, 2, 3. exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, 1, 2, 3, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Sit straight. We are going to perform now Dhanurasana. So first of all, lie over your tummy. Now bend both knees and try to grasp your both ankles respectively. See, you have to push your both legs as behind as possible, as if you are pulling the whole body with the help of your legs. So first of all, try to push your both toes as backward as possible. Raising the chest and head, slowly keep pulling the whole body. Employing the strength of your legs. So your legs, they are pulling the arms. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now try to raise your body from both ends, both thighs, knees to maximum. Now toes pointing little ahead. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Now right from here we are going to make a little fun. So again you try to attain Bhujangasana. Fold your knees, hold your ankles. Okay. Now again assume Dhanurasana. You try to raise the head and knees to maximum, whatever you can. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now roll over a right. Roll over a right, holding the ankles. Push your head behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now be on your tummy. Again be on your belly. Lie down and again roll to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this thing in little rapid way. Once to right, once to left. 1, 2, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now relax. This session is meant only for teenagers and youngsters. So those who are having some physical ailment or any kind of back pain or any kind of cardiac problems, please don't perform with us. Now we are going to perform again a Dhanurasana. Only you have to hold the ankles. This is just fun for children. And now you have to make one rotation of your whole body on the ground, from right once and then left. So first open the left, push your left knee towards left side, not that way. Open it. Now pull the right knee towards left. Yes, keep moving as much as you can. Initially, those who are not able to hold the ankles properly and move, you can stretch your legs and keep moving. Okay. Now from the other side. Start from the right side. Relax. Now some few postures in little more rapid way. First you place your both palms close to your chest, both toes and heels together, toes pointing behind, and now slowly raising your head and chest, assume Bhujangasana. Hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now bending your both knees, be in a Marjarasana. Good. Now raise your left leg, raise it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now lower it down, again Bhujangasana, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now lie down and raise the right leg in Shalabhasana. Right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower it down. Now roll over the left side, roll over a left and Anantasana. Left elbow on the ground, support your head with left palm and slowly raise the right leg. Now try to hold the toe. Hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend your right leg. Just bend the knee, pull it close to your shoulder. Now lie over a back. No, holding the toe, you have to lie down. Okay. Now hold your knee with both palms. Now place your both elbows. Try to hold the both elbows around the knee. Now raise your left leg. Raise your left leg upward, straight. Make it in a right angle with the floor. Hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now slowly you have to raise your head and sit down. Yes, and try to raise the left leg little upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower down the leg. Place your both palms behind, fingers pointing ahead. Raise your head and now Purvottanasana. Try to push your left toe downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Sit down. Okay, pull the right knee close to chest. Hold the elbows. Again raise left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower it down and again lie down, raising the left leg upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now lower down your left leg. Okay. Slowly turn to left, turn to left. Again Anantasana, raising right leg upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly lower down your leg. Lie over the stomach, relax. Now again the whole sequence on the other side, placing both palms close to your chest. Be in Bhujangasana. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bend your knees. Be in Marjarasana, cat pose. Raising the other leg. Now left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now lower it down and again in Bhujangasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lie down. Now roll over the right. With help of your right palm, support your head and bending left leg. Hold the left toe. Raise it upward. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now bend the knee over a chest and holding it from outward. Lie over a back. Hold the both elbows around the knee and raise right leg. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now get up, sit straight, raise the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower it down, place both palms behind. Now Purvottanasana, raise your trunk, head facing downward, left right toe touching the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now sit down. Again Pavan Muktasana, raise your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower it down. Again lie behind Pavan Muktasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower down the right leg. Roll over the right. Anantasana. Raise the left leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Bend the knee and lie over a back. Relax. Now 3 times we are going to pronounce Makar. Just to relax all muscles. Exhalation helps a lot. So 3 times long Makar we are going to pronounce. First, exhale very comfortably. Inhale. Exhale once more. Inhale and start reciting Makar. Again and again, try to stretch out your exhalation. Exhale longer and longer. Now once more inhale and begin with Maka. Now the last Makar, inhale and begin.